That's a bird. That's a bird call you're hearing. I thought it was a sonar for a submarine somewhere nearby, but apparently this is what birds in New York State sound like.
Ooh, somebody answered.
I have never heard anything like that before. I can't focus on the bird, it's too far back, but it's white, the screen name being there, but it's white-breasted, blue feathers, but the blue has some white and black feathers, it looks like, mixed in. It's not very big, it's no bigger than a robin or a blue jay, maybe. Matter of fact, for a second, you'd almost think it was a blue jay, but it doesn't have like the right shaped head or body, but just the general color scheme. Sounds like it's going away. Alright, well there you go, guys. Aaron and Melody here from houseofhod.com at our campsite in some state park whose name I can't pronounce in New York State.
The T word.
And caught some weird bird that sounds like a submarine sonar. If you know what it is, let me know. So I'm sure as soon as we get some Google, if we think about it, we'll look it up. We don't have service here, but
This is our second Here's a Weird Bird We Heard video.
it is. Last one, we both thought that bird was saying my name. It was creepy. This one is just, I don't know. That was just a really interesting. It was pretty, but different sound. All right, if you know what it is, hit us up. And if you love funny t-shirts and love helping artists get across the country so we can make videos like this, go to houseofhod.com and buy yourself a t-shirt. And we'll try to identify more birds with your help by purchasing House of Hod t-shirts. Buy 2 of them, shipping's free. Thanks guys, have a reasonable day.